for the review. This rifle is not the like the AR-15 does not have the system of a direct impingement. This one has the long stroke gas piston, and the difference is that on this one you have a piston on the top here, and on the direct impingement like your AR-15 you have a gas tube that runs from here all the way back. Now this one has an 8620 front trinium. It's got a 4320 carrier. It's got a 7-lug 158 bolt. It's got a monolithic 6105 rifle length receiver. It's got a rifle length handguard. It's got a 14.5 inch barrel. It's a nitro 4150 polychrome steel barrel. The barrel has got a 1 7 inch rate twist. And you got a thread pitch of 1/2 inch by 28, just in case you wanted to install a suppressor or a silencer. Let's see. Now this one, the gas block has 8 positions adjustments that you can adjust to. And let's see. Our friend James put on this 5x36 prism scope, battery operated, fixed magnification. Now on the side, it's got a Leopold. It's a Delta Point Pro. Okay, on the back, you don't have your buffer spring just like your AR-15. You have an adapter, so you can put a brace on this. This is a foldable angular brace. You can fold like this and use as a pistol. Now this one, you can change the brace here and put a buffer spring on the back just like your AR-15s, and you can put any stock that you like. Let's see. Now the charging handle is in the front, okay, not like your AR-15s. A charging handle is in the back. Now the difference between the AR-15 and the JAKL here, this is more like the AK-47, where you have a piston on the front, and your AR-15, like I mentioned, a gas tube that runs from the front to the back. Now on your AR-15s, their maintenance is a little bit higher because they tend to accumulate carbon here on the receiver where your carrier bolt is. It gets a little bit more dirty, and it's on the back over here. And also, like I said, your charging handle is in the on the back. Now this one with the gases coming out from the front, it doesn't get so dirty as fast. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and shoot this bad boy now. All right, we're gonna do some shooting. We got some targets right here. We got some sodas, 2-liter sodas at about 20 yards. And we got about 35 yards. We have some jugs, some Kool-Aid jugs. And then right about 50 yards, I don't know if you can see that, we got a 3-gong station. The one to the left, it's about, I think, 8 inches in diameter. Then way back over there at 200, I think it's 220 yards, we have a 10-inch gong. We're going to see what we can shoot with this rifle. All right. Let's see here. All right, let's go to those jugs over there. We got some, those are Kool-Aid jugs. So let's see if we can hit those from over here. All right, man, this gun is accurate. Let's try to hit that 50-yard 8-inch gong. See if we can hit that. I think I heard a bang. Did you hear it? There we go. How about the 6-inch gong? Well, I'm going a little crazy here. All right, let's see if, let me settle down here. Let me take a breather here. There we go. All right, let's try that 8-inch gong one more time here. There we go. Nice, nice. All right, see if we can hit that 220-yard gong over there. Take a breather here. That's a far ways. There we go. All right, man, this is a good shooter. Trigger is James did replace that trigger. It's I think he got it down to 2.5 pounds. Very nice. All right, I think that does it for this this review of this beautiful JAKL nice rifle. Please don't forget to subscribe,